Hello, we are the Enginetech team and we're here to talk to you today about head bolts. When a customer asks you about head bolts, do you know how to answer their questions? What are the most important selling points of this product? How often should they be replaced? And what can be suggested to the customer to purchase with these head bolts? This video aims to answer these questions and make it easier for you to help your customers.
First, let's talk about head bolt replacement frequency. Many later model engines require torque to yield head bolts that are only good for only a one-time use. Torque to yield head bolts should be purchased every time you remove a cylinder head. So, what are torque to yield head bolts exactly?
Head bolts must be torqued to an exact specification and in an exact sequence to ensure the proper seal of the head gasket. Some engines, especially those with aluminum heads and MLS head gaskets, require more clamping strength because of increased expansion. Torque to yield head bolts are designed to achieve maximum clamping strength when they are stretched to their yield point.
It's very important for customers to refer to their owner's manual for the torque specs on their vehicle. In some engines, it's as simple as tightening down each bolt to a specified number of foot-pounds, while others are much more intricate. The order in which the bolts must be torqued is also crucial to getting the proper clamp force. Removal of head bolts should also be done in reverse order according to the vehicle's torque specs, and should never be done when the engine is still hot, as this can cause the cylinder head to warp.
So, now you can properly advise your customers about head bolts. Remember, torque to yield head bolts must be replaced every time you remove a cylinder head. If your customer is buying head gaskets, remember to suggest they purchase head bolts also. Whether it's consistent quality, technical attention, or expert service you expect, our team at Enginetech works hard every day to earn and maintain your business. Thank you for trusting Enginetech, and we hope this video has been helpful.